I've just created an app that allows you to turn photo into coloring page. And anyone can use it for free. Link to the app will be in the description. My name is Yanis, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I built this app with Lovable, explain what integrations I used, show you the flowchart, show some features, and also share my vision how there could be other uses of the app. If you don't know what Lovable is, basically with Lovable you can chat with AI to create different kind of apps. Lovable has different integrations, for example with Supabase, so you can make external API calls. You can also connect Lovable apps with N8N or Make.com scenarios or automations and create something cool that you can share with the world. You can make even the app paid and stuff like that. If you wonder what is the cost of Lovable, you can start for free. You get 5 daily credits that you can use. Basically one message to AI is 1 credit. And of course you can use paid plan, which starts from $25 per month if you want to build something bigger. So as you can see here, I used around 100 messages to build this app, and all was back and forth, me telling what AI needs to improve and add some functionalities and etc. So here is the flowchart of the app. I will explain how this app works. So basically, user opens the Woo Coloring app. He uploads the image and then he clicks generate button. So if an error, then he gets an error message, but basically it calls Supabase edge function to make the API call to Fall AI, which generates the image, and it's processing the image generation and then returning the newly generated image, and it just shows on the UI the generated image. After that, in the backend, I have set up some stats so I can see which users generate the most images. Maybe there are some bots that I need to ban and stuff like that. When user clicks download image, a pop-up will appear that will request an email. This will be only once because there will be a cookie saved for the user for 365 days. And if he enters the email, it will be saved into Supabase database, and then the image will be downloaded. And page just refreshes after the download, so it's pretty straightforward. In Supabase, I have an edge function, also a table that saves all the user emails, and I use Fall AI, an external API, to convert the photo into the coloring page. Yeah, so let's go to the app. It's integrated with SDK script within my website. And what I've done with Lovable, I've made sure that this script runs only onto my website. If somebody would copy this script and put it on their website, it wouldn't run. For example, here, if I go to direct URL of the app, then it shows access restricted. And if I place the script into a different domain, it wouldn't work. So let me show you how it works. So just click here to upload a photo. I will take a photo of me and I click generate. The generation process takes approximately like 20 to 25 seconds. And if there are no errors, the image will be returned here for me to download. So here's the image. The result I think is pretty good. And as I also put some safety guards in place so that the image can't be saved. It can only be saved by clicking this download button. And if the user hasn't provided the email yet, he will need to provide the email so that the image can be downloaded. But I let everyone use this app for free on the website. You only need to provide your email address to me. And if I click download, the image is downloaded onto my device. Okay. And there are many use cases for this. Teachers, children, even some adults like coloring pages, and you can turn basically any image, any illustration into coloring page. So let's see, here I have an image of world famous cartoon called Cars. So I'm just going to turn it into a coloring page that my kid can later color. And as you can see here, it's pretty accurate. This app is not only made for coloring pages. I've done so I can reuse it. For example, I want to, let's say, change my photo into Simpsons theme. So I'm going to show you here. I think it's this one. Yeah. So I'm going to upload again photo of me and click generate. And this should turn me into a Simpsons character. So many use cases for the app, and I will see where I go forward from this, but just for the testing purposes and letting my website visitors have an engaging generator on the website, I think helps the website a lot. So as you can see here, I'm a Simpson character now. And again, it's pretty accurate. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. I hope you try the app. Maybe you think of some use cases. You can leave a comment, or you have some feedback about the app. So please leave a comment in the description. If you like this video, your like to the video will mean a lot to me. Please share with your friends, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.